Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a certified technician today.
Jeremiah with RVFix here. If you got a water pump that's constantly cycling all the time, but you don't have anything on, it could just be an adjustment, and I'm going to show you how to do that today. So first thing you're going to want to do is you want to put a slight, that's a little too much. We want to just get a slight little flow, a little stream on just a singular faucet. So something like that. Then what you're going to also need to do is you're going to need to locate your water pump. So I'm going to pull off this cover down here, because on this unit, it's behind here. So pull that out. Don't lose your screws, because you'll need those to put it back together. So now we got our cover off. We've located our water pump. If we look down here, and it's kind of going to be hard to see, so down here is our water pump. Now right in here, you'll actually see a little set screw right here where my finger is, so I'll let the camera get in there. So now what you want to do on this particular pump, it's a 5/64 Allen wrench. And so if we come in here, you can actually see now that I got the Allen wrench on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn our water back on, like we discussed at the beginning. And we're just going to adjust this until it shuts off. Now what we can do is come back up here to our faucet. We'll turn it off. And then we're going to turn it on. We got good pressure. Turn it off, and it'll run until it hits pressure and shut off again, creating that on-demand system. Just a little disclaimer here. If you do that or can't get it to stop cycling, that could potentially mean that you have a leak somewhere in your unit. So always check, see if you can find it. If not, give us a call at RVFix. That's 844-66-RVFix, and we'll help you find that leak and get you taken care of.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry. We're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a certified technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.